All right, before I take you back to Tennessee, I want to bring in our guest joining us to discuss in Detroit, Michigan, national trial attorney Michael Jaafar. Michael, great to see you. Thank you so much for joining me on the program. First and foremost, as I said going out, the son of the victim is doing a great job of humanizing her. I think, you know, she's a hard worker, clearly. She was struggling with some health issues. She was an extrovert who was the mom of the party. We all know this person. I think that's a good thing, certainly, for this jury to hear, because we do know I think the defense is going to raise issues about her drinking, et cetera, et cetera. But it's going to be a difficult job, after hearing what we're hearing, for this defense to get up and try to undermine some of the wonderful things we're hearing about this victim.
I agree with you, Michael. This is a textbook execution by the prosecution. The woman having drinking problems, that humanizes her even more, because what they're going to be able to rely on is, well, she took in 2 kids that were not her own to protect them from all these other egregious allegations, the pedophile ring or whatever. So I think that there's nothing they can bring back at this woman. She was a beloved professor. She took in kids that were not her own. I think this is a textbook execution, and I agree with you. This is so far looking really, really bad. The defense is going to have to work really hard to combat what's happening right now, and they're really digging it in, the prosecution. I mean, they're doing a great job.
Yeah, I wonder if it's even worth trying to undermine what's going on right now on the stand. She just seems such a wonderful person. The other thing I want to say is, basically based on the cross-examinations we heard, we know the defense is trying to establish diminished capacity.